In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit layers in a PDF using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. This tutorial will be especially useful for those who regularly work with multi-layered PDF documents and need to manage the visibility or properties of each layer seamlessly. Let's dive right in. To get started, the first thing you need to do is open your PDF file in Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. This software is specifically designed to handle complex PDF editing tasks, so it's the perfect tool for managing layers. Once you've opened your document, you'll need to locate the Layers panel. This is a crucial step because it houses all the layers within your PDF. Next, move your attention to the right-hand side of the screen where you should see a Layers icon, often represented by stacked squares. Clicking on this icon will open the Layers panel. This panel is where you can see all the current layers in your document. However, if you don't see the layers icon immediately, don't worry, it might just be hidden. In this case, you need to click on the hamburger menu, which is the three horizontal lines usually found at the top left of the window. This menu offers additional navigation options. From there, navigate to View. You'll then proceed to Show, Hide, which gives you various interface customization options. Hover over side panels and finally select Layers. This action will bring the Layers panel into view, allowing you to make the necessary adjustments. Once you have the Layers panel open, take a moment to familiarize yourself with its layout. You'll notice that each layer is listed, and you can identify them by their names if they were named when created. To begin editing, click on the specific layer you wish to modify. This highlights the layer and signals that you're ready to make changes. To access the editing options, right-click on the selected layer. A context menu will appear, and you should choose Layer Properties. Within this menu, you can adjust various settings according to your needs. For example, you can change the layer's visibility, which is particularly useful if you only want certain layers to appear when viewing the PDF. You can also alter printing options, which determine whether a particular layer is included when the document is printed. Additionally, you have the option to rename the layer for better organization or clarity. And that's it. By following these steps, you've successfully navigated Adobe Acrobat Pro DC to edit layers within a PDF. Remember, understanding how each layer functions and interacts is key to effectively managing your document's content. Now, with these tools at your disposal, you'll be able to tailor your PDF layers to suit any specific need you might have. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other tutorials for more tips and tricks.